Hi friends, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to find an HCF, that is highest common factor, by long division method. So you will have two numbers. For example, find the HCF of 275 and 525 by long division method. So how do you find it is, you'll always have to take the smaller number as divisor and the greater number as dividend. How do we find it is, you write the dividend, that is 525, and you will divide it by the divisor, that is 275. So it goes one time, that is 275 one times would be 275. So when I subtract this, I would get 0 here, that is 5 and 5 0, and once I borrow 12 and 7, it would be again 5, and you have 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this becomes a new divisor, and you will take the previous divisor as dividend. Okay, now 250 one times would be 250. So I get a remainder of 25. Now the new remainder becomes the new divisor, and you will take the previous divisor inside, and 25 10 times would be 250. So once I subtract, I get 0. So till you get 0, you will continue doing the normal division. So at the last, what you get, that is the divisor, would be the HCF. HCF would be 25. So HCF of 275 and 525 would be 25. This is how you can find the HCF. So let us take another example to find the HCF of 175 and 200 by long division method. So as I said, always the greater number would be the dividend, the smaller number would be the divisor. So I write 200 and take 175 as the divisor. So once I divide, I will be able to do 1 times of 175. So 1 times of 175 would be 175, and once I subtract this, I get a remainder of 25. So this becomes a new divisor, and I take the previous divisor as dividend, that is 175. You have the previous divisor, so I take in that. So how many times of 25 would be 175? It is 7 times. 25 7 times would be 175. So once I subtract this, I get remainder 0. So I've got the HCF of 175 and 200, that is the last divisor. So the HCF of 175 and 200 would be 25. Okay, the HCF is equal to 25. This is how you can find HCF on long division method. If you like the video, please give us a like and share it among your friends. And if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Or if you have any particular topic you want me to explain you, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you. Happy learning.